We're here in a studio apartment in DC. This is 419 square feet, so I think it really fits the bill for a small space. When you are in a small space, you still need to carve out those places for relaxing, for entertaining, for eating, and for sleeping. And when you're in a room like a studio, the challenge is how do you do all of those, make them feel like they're in each individual space, but also do it in one big room. So for the living room, it was really the sectional piece that started how the whole place was going to look. This is a 3-piece sectional. Altogether, it's 61 by 61. So from there, it kind of went with putting a swivel chair here. If you're watching TV, somebody can just swivel the chair around. These are stools, which are used as end tables, but also they can be additional seating as well. In a studio apartment, in particular, storage is prime. For instance, the media, that's great hidden storage, so use that for your sweaters or for seasonal items that you really want to put out of the way but know where they are. A console table in this way is great because it really does sort of finish off the back of the sofa. It also gives you additional prep space and storage space. Even if you're in the kitchen, dining room, living room, it's all easy to kind of get around and entertain. I think the bed is always a big challenge in a studio because the bed itself is your private space. And for, I think, many people, it can feel a little awkward to have one beside the other. So in this instance, we put a queen-size bed in, but we put it in the corner and really made it feel like a day bed. So if you're sitting here having dinner with friends, it's not going to feel so awkward that they're like in your bedroom. It's going to feel like it's more of sort of a combined space with the studio. If you look around, you'll notice there is no floor lamp or table lamp. So all of the lighting is actually on the wall. The focus is not taking up any space on the floor and really just going vertical as much as you can. So all of those things really help to delineate the space and make them feel very livable. It really is a give and take. So that balance of prioritizing the things that mean the most to you, that will make your space feel comfortable to live in.